What year and model is my EZGO golf cart? Welcome to New Golf Cart Owners 101, right now on GCG TV. Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us today in the Golf Cart Garage as we help new owners identify the year and model of an EZGO golf cart. We get frequent calls and emails from new owners who want chargers, parts, and upgrades, but have no idea how to determine what year or model their cart is. And after we start with a joke like, was it used as a bank robbery getaway car? We start to help search the golf cart for a serial number. Our resources section has an article on this that we'll link in the video description here, but each golf cart company has as many models as some car companies, so we want to find the model name for parts, accessories, pretty much everything except tires. A lot of messages that we get ask for a part for a 2012 EZGO, and this is kind of like calling the auto parts store asking for a Ford windshield. They'll probably want to know which model to get you the correct item. Unless you order parts from the fast food drive-thru, since they just put whatever they want in the bag, evidently. With EZGO vehicles, the serial is usually on the rear frame or in the glove box or dashboard area. With much older carts, it's sometimes also under the driver's seat on the frame. In some cases, the ID sticker or plate will have the model name printed right there. If not, the date code can be used as the last two digits represent the year, but sometimes extra research is needed to determine the model name, which is something we'd love to help with. If you need assistance to identify your cart or anything else, you've come to the right place, so stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934. Our customer care specialists would love to help answer all your questions and place orders right over the phone. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCG TV.